Guys, this is Daniel again. Today we are going to see how you can reset your email password. This method covers those who access their emails on Cpanel. Basically, if you access your emails on any other platform, you can mention it on the comment section. Then we are going to do a video for your specific platform. So if you access your email dashboard from webmail and you happen to have forgotten, you may not necessarily be having the access to the cpanel, but your admin does. But if you are the admin, you can easily reset an email password by simply accessing your cpanel and doing a few setups to have the password reset. So let us dive in and see how to reset the email, and we are going to achieve that in 2 steps. So the first thing is to access your cpanel. This is my cpanel. Then navigate to email accounts. You can either search for that section from this field, email accounts, or you just click it from this section here. So the particular email that you want to reset to is test. I created an email, test@dtechnologies.com. So basically we want to use this email and its password to access the dashboard. So we assume that we have forgotten. So let's come here and click on manage. Then if you scroll, there is a section to set a new password. Just input your preferred new password. Then once you are done, click on update email settings. Then you can now navigate to your webmail, input the email and the new password that you have set, and you'll be able to log into your email dashboard. The next step, if you already have access to the email account that is on webmail, let us quickly access the email. Let me log in here. If you are already logged in and you wish to reset the email password, what you do, just come and click on this icon to take you to webmail home for this particular email. Then once you are on this dashboard, click on this drop down icon. Then there is this section of password and security. Click on that. Then you'll be given a field, some fields where you are supposed to enter the new password and confirm the password and save. It's as simple as that. So you can basically reset your email password using the 2 steps that the 2 methods that we shared. So that marks the end of our tutorial today. Just by the way, for your email hosting, web hosting, Truehost is the company of your choice. I'll drop the link on the description below. Click on the links and see the offers at Truehost. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please like this video, share with your colleagues, and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.